This month, I'll be launching my brand new Patreon site. Hi, I'm Carrie Alves, and I'll teach you how to draw beautiful, stunning, realistic portraits of the people that you care about. For this first month, we'll start with 3 key foundational courses. And the first one is called Getting Started with Realistic Drawing. This is my free introductory course, and it's a simple drawing of an egg, and it's designed to introduce you to the key principles of realism while not getting overwhelmed with a complex drawing. And the second course is called Mastering Constructs. And this is where I'll teach you the skill of measuring accurately. And this is where you're going to learn to see what the artist sees. We go through life seeing things, but artists see something different. They see proportions, angles, alignments, shapes, and values. And this is what you're going to learn in this particular course. And this is a key skill when learning how to do realism. Finally, you'll have access to my Introduction to Portrait Drawing course, in which I teach you what I call the 7 key principles of realism. And this is where I'll teach you a structured and proven system for creating realistic drawings that takes you from setting up your image with the lighting and how to create a good reference image, right through to the finished modeling and editing. We'll be doing a pencil drawing and a master copy of The Girl with the Pearl Earring done by Johannes Vermeer. These courses are the 3 introductory courses I teach all of my new students, and this lays a solid foundation into the understanding of the principles of realism. All of the courses that I've created are designed to take you up the ladder of mastery, building on what you already know, and then with each successive course, you then add a little bit of complexity or a new medium in which to just grow that much more. Every month, I'll introduce you to a new course or a new project. I also have my weekly live mentoring sessions on Zoom. These are done in a group setting, and you will be given direct feedback on your specific drawing while also seeing that feedback being given to the others in the group. You will learn from what you're going through, but you'll also learn from what everybody else is going through. And you'll have an opportunity to meet other like-minded artists and be supported by a community. So if you'd like to develop the skills to draw beautiful and realistic portraits of the people that you care about, you can. Just click on the Patreon link in the description below and find out how. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the studio. And remember, stay creative. This is your time to express yourself.